Did you know that some of the biggest faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading cartoon animation for kids? And the best part, they don't even animate these videos themselves. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but feel held back by a lack of skills, a tight budget for pricey software, or not enough time to learn animation, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you how you create a quality, trending cartoon animation videos using only free AI tools and in just simple steps. No need for complicated softwares, no need for advanced skills. AI will do everything for you. And the best part is that kids watch these videos over and over again, and the YouTube algorithm keep pushing them to millions of views, making it one of the best way to monetize faceless YouTube channel this year. So if you want to create videos like this, get monetized and earn thousands of dollars every month, then stay with me till the end of this video. Because by the time you finish watching, you'll be able to create and upload your own cartoon animations today. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. Step 1. Creating a story. To create a story, we will be using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot created by OpenAI. It uses natural language processing to engage in human-like conversations and generate various written content, including articles, code, and essays. Every cartoon animation video starts with an engaging story. Don't worry if you are not a professional story writer, just give it a basic idea, and ChatGPT will craft an engaging story for you. As you can see, I have provided the idea. What I input here is, create a short story about a fairy princess named Leora and a 7-year-old girl named Mia. Princess Leora lives in a secret, enchanted kingdom hidden deep within a magical forest. One day, young Mia, a curious girl from a nearby village, wanders into the woods and loses her way. While searching for a path home, she stumbles upon a mysterious, glowing door tucked between ancient trees. To her amazement, the door opens to reveal the hidden fairy kingdom where Princess Leora resides. Within moments, ChatGPT created a story inspired by what we had input. Save your story to your document for future reference. Now let's talk about video creation. Yes, you heard that right. With just a story idea, something we can easily get from ChatGPT, we can now turn that into a full animated video instantly. I've discovered an incredible AI app that handles everything in one place. That's right, just one app. Normally, we generate images using text prompts in one tool, then animate them in another, and finally edit them in yet another app. But not anymore. This tool does it all, from generating visuals to animating scenes and even editing the video. The best part? It only takes a few clicks, and we're talking about creating 3D animations with consistent characters throughout. Pretty amazing, right? So let's dive in. The tool I'm talking about is called Magic Light, and trust me, it's going to save you a ton of time and effort. It's seriously easy to use, and creating animated videos is a piece of cake with this. Let me start by giving you a brief overview of Magic Light. Magic Light is an all-in-one AI-powered tool that lets users create stunning 3D animated videos with consistent characters. No coding or multiple apps required. From generating visuals to animating scenes and editing the final video, Magic Light streamlines the entire creative process in just a few clicks. So, as you can see, Magic Light features a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate with no unnecessary clutter. To get started, click on Create Video, then choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'm going with the landscape option, 16:9 for this example. Next, select your language. I'll choose English for now. After that, pick a video style. Magic Light offers a wide variety of styles to choose from, including 3D cartoon, Disney, epic, realistic, kids story, Ghibli, and many more. For this story, I think the Disney style fits perfectly, so that's the one I'll go with. What makes this tool truly powerful is that it's powered by the DeepSeek R1 model, a cutting-edge AI technology that handles everything from script breakdown and content expansion to image generation and more. In short, you can expect impressive, high-quality results every time. Now let's focus on the prompts section. You can either paste your script if you already have one, or type in a prompt so Magic Light will generate a script for you. I'll use a script we previously created in ChatGPT, but I'll place it into smart scripts so that Magic Light can enhance the story for me. After that, I'll choose the video duration and click Next to continue. Then, Magic Light will do its magic and generate the full story script for me. Once it's finished, the script is automatically broken down into multiple scenes, making it easy to follow and bring to life as a video. When you're satisfied with your scenes, simply click Next to go to the cast page. There, you can either select existing characters or create new ones for your video. This is one of Magic Light's standout features. It ensures character consistency throughout the entire video, which is a big deal if you want your story to look polished and professional. My story features two main characters. To represent Mia, I use one of Magic Light's featured characters. I set her name, gender, and age, then choose a voice that fits her.
Life was like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get.
Once that's done, I click Confirm to save the character. Next, it'll show you how to create a character in Magic Light. Click Edit Character, then click Create to create new character. Then in the character section, type the character's name, choose gender, category, and age. So here, we need a character prompt. Use ChatGPT or a similar AI tool to craft detailed character descriptions. Just ask to create a character, then include aspects like name, age, appearance, personality traits, and clothing. It depends on how you imagine what your character look like. Then copy that prompts in ChatGPT. Then click Generate Image. Magic Light will generate images based on these descriptions. Once satisfied with the character design, incorporate them into your video scenes. This ensures consistency by using the same character design throughout the project. Click Next to continue. We're now in the Storyboard section. Here I've set the voiceover speed to 1.2x, but you can adjust it to your preference. Next, choose a voice for your narrator. As you scroll down, you'll see the images that were generated for the story. If you click on a specific scene, you'll be able to view the narration text for that scene, along with the image prompt used to create it. If a specific image doesn't match your story, for example, in my case, the character Mia is supposed to be wearing a lavender skirt, but the image didn't reflect that, you can easily fix it. Just edit the prompt and click Regenerate. The best part? This feature is completely free. Wait for the new image to generate, and once it's ready, you can choose the version that best fits your storyboard. Now it's time to animate. Start by clicking Next, then select Animate All. After that, hit Next and choose the video generation model you'd like to use. You can choose from options like Runway ML, Halo AI, or Animate Pro. Let's go to Runway, click Next, then Confirm. Now sit back for a moment while the AI transforms your images into a video. It won't take long. Once it's done, go to Cover Settings and choose the images you want to use as your video cover. When you're satisfied, move on to Subtitles and select the style that fits your story. Next, head to Background Music. Listen to the different tracks and pick the one that best complements your video. When you're ready, click Generate and select the appropriate aspect ratio. For YouTube, choose 16:9, then click OK. After a few minutes, your video will be ready. Preview it, and if everything looks good, go ahead and download it.
In a hidden kingdom deep within the heart of an enchanted forest lived Princess Leora, the fairy guardian of the Emerald Grove. Her castle, nestled among glowing flowers and towering trees, shimmered like something out of a dream. One sunny afternoon, a curious and brave 7-year-old girl named Mia wandered into the forest near her village. Her heart was full of wonder, but soon she realized she was lost. Still, she walked on, drawn by the scent of flowers and the sound of distant music. Then she saw it, a magical rainbow door, framed by twisted tree trunks, and swirling with colorful smoke. Without hesitation, Mia stepped through. To her amazement, she found herself in a breathtaking fairy kingdom.
This can't be real. Where am I?
Tiny winged creatures flitted around crystal flowers, and floating lanterns lit the sky. There, she met Princess Leora.
In this grove, all who wander with wonder are never truly lost. Welcome, Braveheart, to the magic you were meant to find.
Who welcomed her with a kind smile. The two quickly became friends. Leora showed Mia a magical fountain that glowed with silver, light. They sailed across lily-pad lakes in a boat shaped like a giant leaf, and even flew through the air on the back of a sparkling dragonfly. Mia was filled with joy and wonder, but soon it was time to return home. Leora gently sprinkled her with glowing fairy dust and whispered a farewell spell. In a blink, Mia found herself back in her village, safe, happy, and forever changed. She would always remember the magical land and her fairy friend, Princess Leora.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.